Did you know that children today are less active than ever, with many spending an average of 7 hours a day in front of a screen? As a result, childhood obesity rates have skyrocketed, and it's affecting their physical and mental health. If you're a parent looking to reverse this trend quickly, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll reveal 5 hacks that will help your kids adopt healthy habits fast. Hi everyone, I'm here, a certified health coach and nutritionist with over 5 years of experience in helping families lead healthier lifestyles. I'm also a parent, so I understand the struggles of encouraging kids to eat right and stay active. I've transformed my own family's health with these practical strategies, and I can't wait to share them with you. In this video, we'll cover 5 simple yet effective hacks that will make it easier for your kids to embrace healthy eating and active living. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to implement right away, making a significant difference in your family's health. Let's get started. First, let's discuss why many kids struggle with their health today. With fast food and screen time dominating their lives, kids are often consuming too many unhealthy foods while being less physically active. This leads to not just obesity but also a host of other issues like low self-esteem, fatigue, and even chronic diseases later in life. As a parent, it can be heartbreaking to see your child struggle with their health. Have you noticed your child feeling sluggish or having difficulty concentrating in school? These issues can stem from an unhealthy lifestyle, and it's crucial to address them early on. Let's hear from a few families who faced similar challenges. Insert testimonials where parents share their stories about successfully implementing healthy changes. These inspiring transformations highlight that it's possible to turn things around with the right approach. Now that we understand the problem, let's dive into our solution: 5 hacks to help your kids be healthy fast. These hacks are practical, easy to implement, and most importantly, fun for the whole family. Hack 1. Sneaky nutrition. Explanation: incorporate healthy ingredients into your kids' favorite meals without them noticing. For example, add spinach to smoothies or zucchini to pasta sauces. Practical tip: try making hidden veggie muffins. They're delicious and loaded with nutrients. Hack 2. Make exercise fun. Explanation: transform exercise into a game. Encourage activities like scavenger hunts or dance-offs instead of traditional workouts. Practical tip: create a family challenge where everyone tracks their steps. The winner gets to choose the weekend activity. Hack 3. Involve them in cooking. Explanation: let your kids help prepare meals. This builds interest in food and teaches them about nutrition. Practical tip: set up a family cooking night where everyone picks a healthy recipe to try. Hack 4. Healthy snacks within reach. Explanation: stock your pantry and fridge with healthy snacks so that they're easily accessible. Practical tip: create a snack station with cut fruits, nuts, and yogurt that kids can grab on their own. Hack 5. Set a good example. Explanation: kids learn by watching. If you model healthy behavior, they're more likely to follow suit. Practical tip: share your fitness goals and make it a family effort. Exercise together and discuss healthy eating habits. Now let's delve into the science behind these strategies. Research shows that kids who eat a balanced diet are more likely to perform better academically and have improved mood and energy levels. By sneaking in nutritious foods and promoting physical activity, we're laying the foundation for lifelong health. According to Dr. Expert Name, a pediatric nutritionist, involving children in meal prep not only educates them about healthy eating but also gives them a sense of ownership over their choices. This is crucial for fostering independence and healthy habits. Let's take a look at some visuals to illustrate our points. Here's a chart showing the nutritional value of common foods and a diagram of how physical activity impacts children's health. Now, let's get moving. Here are some fun exercises you can do with your kids. Animal walks. Get everyone to mimic animals like crabs and frogs, great for flexibility and fun. Dance party. Play your favorite tunes and dance around the living room. This is an excellent way to bond while burning calories. Try these activities with your kids and let me know how it goes in the comments. Engaging in play together strengthens family bonds while promoting health. While implementing these hacks, you might encounter some obstacles. Kids may resist new foods or be reluctant to move more. It's important to be patient and creative in your approach. Remember, it's about making gradual changes rather than overwhelming them with too much at once. System for trying new foods or completing activities. Focus on positive reinforcement rather than punishment. I want to hear from you. What challenges have you faced in promoting a healthy lifestyle for your kids? Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's support one another.